I chose the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Bada al-Islamu ghariban wa sayaudu ghariban kama bada'a fatuba lil ghuraba." قال النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام, that Islam began as something strange, and that it will certainly return to being something strange the way that it began. So blessed are the strangers. This entails this embracing this ghuraba, embracing the strangeness, entails that when we speak to people of our ethics, when we speak to people in our moral language, we take consolation in the fact that they might not understand us, and this is prophecy. We have a worldview that is based on submission, submission to God, Islam first. And the thing about our religion is that we are the faith of the middle course. We don't think that anyone should be mistreated, as Sheikh Omar said, on the basis of their orientation, lifestyle, creed, belief, etc. But we don't think that saying the truth about moral choices entails mistreatment of anybody. And we don't feel, perhaps, this overriding guilt that we need to atone for having done that to people, because that isn't our story.